Air, the first thing we experience at birth. Every breath is life, the force that keeps us moving. It is energy that moves the world. Sometimes barely noticeable, sometimes powerful and untamed. Compressed air, an invisible force that makes millions of lives easier every day. Precise, powerful, indispensable, in workshops, factories, hospitals, research facilities, in your daily world. Wherever power and precision matter, compressed air is there. At Airpress, we transform air into power. For years, we've been designing tools that empower people to work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Our compressors drive industries. Our pneumatic tools bring precision to every workshop. Our presses, lifts, and tool carts provide reliability where it matters most. From garages to production lines, we deliver the equipment that professionals trust to get the job done. For years, we've been crafting innovative tools that enhance productivity, streamline workflows, and elevate work quality. Air is the beginning of everything, and the future we create together at Airpress. The power of compressed air. Airpress